I'm with Finn Smith from White Oak Renovations, and we're at a really nice little house here in Brookhaven, Georgia. Tell me a little bit about it.
Yes, sir. Well, Dan, Brookhaven, just such an up-and-coming, wonderful area for families. We're literally a minute or two from 285 and Perimeter Mall, as well as 400. So this location just speaks loudly to us. We purchased this home and really just run down.
Yeah.
Nothing up to date, but had great bones. So we just went in with our design team, opened the space up, created a lot of great element.
You got a minute to show it to me?
Absolutely.
Let's go take a look. Finn, tell me about this home.
Well, location, Dan,
Yeah.
really. But this house was such a mess when we picked it up, and just, you know, containers full of personal belongings and really closed in, a lot of walls. The good thing is it had some existing hardwood floors, but we really had a great vision for it, came through, opened up the walls, and really updated it to where it has a finish level of the million-plus homes that you see selling in the community.
It's got a really nice open feel to it.
Oh, unbelievable. This entire area here, Dan, was just completely closed off. So as you came in the front door, you had to work your way around the foyer area to get to the main living space. So now, just like everybody wanting the open floor plan,
Sure.
you can really entertain and relax, and you have a good sense of community with the family.
Tell me about the kitchen. That's all new?
This is all new, Dan, believe it or not. Like I said, we had a wall through here and a large closet with the electrical panel. We relocated all of that to get us a nice open kitchen with a peninsula. Now this was interesting. We tried to get an island in originally, and it was such a tight space on both sides. We decided to get more seating by creating a peninsula. We went with some awesome quartz tops, and of course our custom cabinetry with soft closed doors and drawers just makes it in the next league.
Gives it that high-end finish.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Good. I like the lighting fixtures. That's unique.
The light fixtures are something different that I think we do that does set us apart, Dan. We put designer high-end light fixtures in our homes, so we don't try to pull builder packages or anything like that, and it definitely shows.
Tell me about this.
A lot of uses here, Dan. Like I said, when we picked up the property, it had a lot of odd spaces, and essentially we've utilized this to work as an office area, sitting area, or another dining area. We went ahead and shiplapped the walls, plantation shutters, and then added our reclaimed beams across the ceiling.
Very nice. So we got the master suite here.
Master suite, absolutely. Dan, we gave them some designer carpet in here with a very thick pad, and then we added the reading lights above the headboard, and we went with that satin brass finish just to give it a nice designer touch.
And then we got a beautiful bathroom with I like that corner window.
Dan, this brings in all the light in the world, and although we were tight with space with the original foundation, we were able to really open this space up and make it feel larger than life.
So we had two bedrooms and then two bathrooms in this hallway?
Very unique for this size home, absolutely.
Yeah.
So the house is a total of a 3-bedroom, 3-bath house. So that was what was great about the bones when we found it. Now again, we completely gutted everything down to the studs, but we were able to go back in with some designer tile and some wonderful finishes. But the great news is 3-bedroom, 3-bath house.
That's a good setup.
You bet.
I like this little nook. This is one of your signature things is your little nooks. I like that.
We love this, and so do our clients and homeowners and buyers. So really, we've already got a linen closet across from that. That was actually an existing doorway, Dan. Closed it up and just had this odd space in the hall, so why not make it usable?
I was very surprised to hear that this house was only 1,900 square feet because honestly, it felt much bigger. I was so impressed with how White Oak Renovations could make this small house feel so spacious and appealing. Finn told me that you have to flip the negatives into a positive. Without a doubt, White Oak Renovations has achieved that.
Man, I really like this outdoor space.
Dan, this lot's phenomenal. It's got a ton of privacy, but with that comes some challenges when you're ready to entertain.
Sure.
So essentially, we just took this wall here, made an opening, put in some hardscape stairs, cleared out a little area, so we've got fire pit, which who doesn't love hanging out around a fire with a glass of wine in the evening, added some Adirondack chairs, and now you've got beautiful entertainment space along with the privacy.
Right, and it looks like low maintenance too.
Very low maintenance.
Yes, that's nice.
Put up the lawnmower.
Yeah, that's real nice. It's another renovation reality from White Oak Renovations.